Key points for an overarm throw include: the wind-up is initiated with downward movement of the hand/arm, rotates hips and shoulders to a point where the non-throwing side faces the wall, weight is transferred by stepping with the foot opposite the throwing hand, and follow through beyond ball released diagonally across the body towards the non-preferred side. Distributed practice is when the amount of rest is equal to or greater than the amount of practice. In this video, we see throwing occurs for 30 seconds. A rest of 1 minute would then occur before another 30 seconds of practice. This type of practice is beneficial for athletes who are at a cognitive stage of learning or have a lower level of fitness and experience, as it allows for plenty of time for feedback and rest. Varied practice is a practice sequence in which performers rehearse a number of variations of a given class of skills during a session. This is also known as variable practice. In this case, it is the skill of an overarm throw. However, the distance in which the ball is being thrown is changing. Varied practice allows learners to develop competence in setting parameters for various dimensions of the action. This is another example of varied practice for the overarm throw, in which speed is the variable that is being changed, as demonstrated in this video as the throw becomes gradually faster. Varied practice is beneficial as it allows for adaptation. As learners are frequently changing tasks, it is less repetitive, less boring, and more engaging. Random practice is a practice sequence in which individuals perform a number of skills in a random order to minimize consecutive repetition of any single skill. It engages a learner in more cognitive strategies and forces a learner to become more actively engaged in the learning process by being less repetitive. As displayed in this video, the ball is being thrown in an overarm way to different targets, which is making it harder for the catcher to predict where the ball is going. This type of practice gives a learner more significant and distinct memories of various tasks, increasing memory and understanding of tasks. Due to the increased success of learning with these practice methods, resulting in more engagement, better memory and understanding of skills, and better progression through the stages of learning, the fundamental movement skill of the overarm throw should be a key inclusion in the year's K-2 curriculum.